In this video, we're going to focus on designing the items here with the shorthand property, the border width. And we're going to use this option here where we can control all of these borders here. So right now we have this here. We have all of these items here, and we also have this part here. And basically, these 8 lines of code can be converted into 2 lines that tells you everything what you need to know. Alright, so let's start and explore how we can do this. So first of all, we have the border width, and I'm going to comment out all of this. So the moment we activate border width, what is happening here is the width has been set everywhere to 10, as you can see here. Instantly it will read. So basically here, what it really does is the following. It says here 10 pixels, 10 pixels, 10 pixels, and 10 pixels. And what I mean by this here, what is this? Is basically this converts all of these and make them all in a clockwise motion 10 pixels. So that means it starts at the top, goes to the right, bottom, and left. So that would mean that this here would be top, bottom, top, right, and then we have bottom and left. This is basically the structure that we have, very similar to this one here, the border style. So what I'm going to do is, we're going to first convert the border style, and then we're going to match up this as well. So, with the border style, we have exactly the same. So this is the border style property. We have this as well. I'm going to put this in here, and I'm going to comment these out so we can just follow along with it without damaging our CSS. So we have the border style, and the first thing of the border style would be here, the top is solid, alright. And then we have the right side, remember, the right one, that's the second value is double. And then we have the bottom is dotted. And we have left, which will be the dash. So once we have this, we can save this and comment this out just to see if they are exactly the same. So if we refresh here, you can see the values are exactly the same. So the only thing what we do want to do is this one here. So let me just show this first. And if we comment this out for a minute, and this could be commented out as well, there's no need to be removed. If we save this, this is our end result that we want, where we see here 5, 20, 10, and 15. Alright, so once we know this, now what we can do is exactly following the same structure here as above. So the border width, the first one, the top, what would be the top value? It's 5 pixels. So put in 5 pixels. And then we have the next one, it's the right side. And with the right side we have here is the 20 pixels. So we say 20 pixels. And then we have the next one is the bottom. What's the bottom? Has 10 pixels. And then eventually we have left. And what is left? Left is the 15 pixels. So once we start to save this and comment all of these out, save this all, refresh, and you can see now our design has not moved an inch. However, the structure has been more efficient with lesser code. That's, if you remove all of this, you will see now here we have exactly the design we want, and there you are, perfect. And this is basically how you can use the design here. So this is one of them, and very, very useful to control. Thank you for watching this video. If you enjoyed this video, make sure you subscribe to my channel, and if you have any questions regarding this, make sure you put them in the comment section. I'll get back to you. And if you enjoyed this video, check out the next video here. You will probably enjoy this as well.